Okay, so stoichiometry, what I said, that is mole concept. Okay, it is got, that is the mole concept in equation, in equations. That is what is known as stoichiometry. Yes, yeah, no. That is on last class we apply the mole concept in the equation. So let's try to solve. That is question. I'm giving you one problem. Okay. So question they are saying, uh, calculate the calculate the amount of CuCO3. You know, this is there. CuCO3 uh, to produce how much? 11.2 liter of CO2. 11.2 liter of CO2. This is what the question I have taken from the IB book only. This question is there, and they are saying that is equation they have given CuCO3. It is giving that is CuO plus CO2. Option they have given also. If I write the option is there 65 gram. Then B is there, it is something 62 gram. C is there, 124 gram, and D is there saying that is 120 gram. Okay, this they are saying. Okay, so I told you what to do. You need to follow the steps. I'm telling you the step number 1. Compare the stoichiometry. Okay, stoichiometry of equation. Compare the stoichiometry. Stoichiometry means coefficient of equation. This is what the first point they are saying. Step number 2, they are saying, step number 2, calculate the moles of given mass. And last one step they are saying is step number 3, calculate the amount. Okay, this is the very simple step we have to follow. Calculate the amount. Which amount? That is the required amount. Now, if I ask you that this is the equation is there, CuCO3 giving CuO, and they are saying 11.2 liter. So let's try. Are you listening or not?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So here you see, CuCO3 is there. Here they are saying that is copper oxide is there, Cu, and CO2. They are saying 11.2 liter is forming. 11.2 liter is forming. So how much required? Okay, required mass they are asking. Required mass of CuCO3. This is copper carbonate. This they are asking. Okay, how can you be able to calculate this? Last class we were saying that is here the mass was given. So step number 1, see what I wrote here. Compare the stoichiometry, that is coefficient of equation. So how can you here nothing is there, it means 1, and here is 1. So 1 mole CuCO3 produce how many mole of CO2 from the equation?
Don't we have to balance it first, or is it balanced?
Already balanced. It is
Oh, it's
already
balanced.
balanced. It's already
Okay.
balanced. Okay. So here you see nothing is there means 1 mole. So how many moles is getting producing 1 mole? Yes or no?
Yes.
So according to equation, if I am going according to equation, 1 mole CuCO3 gives 1 mole CO2, 1 mole CO2. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now step number 2, you see they are saying calculate the moles of given mass. Okay, so given mass or given volume, anything it can be there, given volume, right? So you see here, this one they have given. What is given? This is the step number 1 we have done, step number 1. So step number 2, if I am asking step number 2, so that is N, if you are N CO2, if you are calculating, so how can you calculate? That is given volume, okay? Given volume divided by what we can do? Molar volume. Given volume upon molar volume. So given volume is there, how much? 11.2 liter. Yes or no?
Yeah.
What is the value of molar volume? Can you tell me? Molar volume
22.4 liters.
22.4 liter. Thank you. So that is liter cancel out. So it is going to be what? 1/2. Yes, yeah, no. 1 by
Yeah.
2 mole. 1/2 mole, or you can say that is 0.5 mole also, that is correct. So since now compare. So what we are going to do here, you see 1 mole CO3 is giving 1 mole CO2. So 0.5 mole, if I am writing what I am writing, that is sequence I am changing. That is 1 mole CO2, 1 mole CO2 required 1 mole, CO3. Therefore 0.5 mole, because CO2 is there 0.5 mole only. So 0.5 mole CO2 required. How much? Can you please tell me? Required how many mole of CO3?
1/2. So 0.5 mole of
0.5
CuCO3.
mole. Thank you. So 0.5 mole CuCO3 it is requiring. Now, so if you got to know that is moles of CuCO3 required how much? 0.5 mole, 0.5 mole. And in the question they are calculate the amount of CuCO3. So what we can do here, N is equal to, that is given mass upon molar mass. This you know. This is we are doing step number 3. Step number 3. So here you see N is equal to 0.5 is equal to given mass they are asking, amount. Given mass means amount they are asking. Molar mass we have to calculate, molar mass. So molar mass of CuCO3. What can be the molar mass CuCO3? Can you tell me? Cu is equal to
I don't know the molar mass of copper.
63.5.
So 63.5 plus, I think
12.
carbon is 12. Okay.
Oxygen is 16. So it is going to
So
63.5.
5.5.
It is going
Then we
to
have
12.0 and 3
16,
oxygen, 48, I think.
6, 12, 18, 8, 20, 90, no, 103.5. Right?
123.5. Yes, no?
Yep.
So you can put
Wait,
it.
123. I said 103. What?
See, 0.5 is there.
Oh, right.
2 to 5.
Sorry. You're right.
See,
Right.
right now. So we can write that
Yeah, you're
approx
right.
124 gram per mole. We can write this one. So what we can do
Okay.
here, 0.5 into given mass, that is molar mass. If you cross multiply it, so it will go there. Yes, yeah, no. So it will come
Yeah.
what? 124 is equal to, it is that is given mass, that is amount. It will come amount. So how much will come? If you are 0.5 means you divide by 2. So it will come what? 62 gram amount. Can you understand this?
Yeah.
So option number, which one is correct? You can check out. 62. Option B is correct. Are you able to understand this?
Yeah.
Tell me. Yeah, good. So can I erase this and give you to another question?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay. I'm writing the question. You try to answer me. You didn't reply. That is which problem you are not able to solve.
I never got the email.
You got the email or not?
No, I didn't get the email.
I sent you the question paper now. You didn't get the question paper.
From last time I got it on Wednesday. I got it from last time, but this time I only got the YouTube video. I think you didn't add the
Okay, I'll give you. But you was facing the problem last class also now. Last class some problem was there now.
Yeah, but I understood it because it was the same problem. At the same question was there 3 times and I didn't understand it, so therefore there was problem.
Okay, so whatever problem you are not able to answer now, please email me that question number. Okay. So here is calcium nitrate is there. It is giving calcium oxide plus 4NO plus O2. This is balance equation is there. find the, they are saying find the mass of, they are saying find the mass of CaO produce, find the mass of CaO produce with 5.6 liter, they are saying 5.6 liter of NO2, with 5.6 liter of NO2 is produce, they are saying produce. So they are saying 5.6 liter of NO2 is very tough. It is very tough. But I am trying to make your mind sharp here with this type of problem. So what they are saying, because stoichiometry is like this. So find the mass of CaO produced. This mass they are asking with 5.6 liter of NO2. So that is this amount formation is there, 5.6 liter of NO2 produced. So they are asking what will be the mass of, okay, mass of CaO produced. So where we have to compare here in this question, we need to compare from it one, these two only, not from the here. Okay, so step one we are doing compare, okay, compare the stoichiometry or coefficient, coefficient of equation, coefficient of equation. So how can you compare in the step number one? So 2 mole CaO formation, 2 mole CaO formation required, how much required to produce together? How much is required to produce 4 mole NO2? 4 mole NO2. Yes or no?
CO2 formation.
See, 1 mole calcium nitrate decomposed to give 2 mole CaO and 4 mole NO2, because this is the balanced chemical equation. So it cannot be that less than 2 mole and it cannot be less than 4 mole. It is, that is 2 mole CaO and 4 mole NO2 required 100%. So if they are saying if 2 mole CaO is forming, so 4 mole NO2 will also form. Yes or no? Getting my point?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So they are saying 2 mole CaO formation required to produce 4 mole NO2. If 2 mole CaO is forming here 2 mole, so 4 mole NO2 has to form together. Yes.
Yeah.
So they are saying find the mass of CO2 produce, mass of CO2 produce with 5.6 liter of NO2. Okay. So that is they are asking for this one. They are asking CaO. So you reverse the equation. You reverse the equation. How can you reverse? That is 4 mole NO2 produce, 4 mole NO2 produce with, you can write like that, with 2 mole CaO, that is with 2 mole CaO. Similar is there. Either you can require or you can write that is produce with. Is it okay? This statement, can you write that is reverse one? So they are saying if I am asking 1 mole NO2 produce, 1 mole produce NO2 produce with how many mole of CaO? What you will do? If 4 mole with 2 mole, so 1 mole means what we can do? 2 by 4 mole.
Oh, 2.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
2 by, so it is going to be half mole CaO. Yes.
Yes.
But they are saying the amount they have said how much? 5.6 liter they are saying. Okay, 5.6 liter. So here is step number 2 I am doing. Step number 2. What I can do? So step number 2, that is 5.6 liter is there. So N is equal to what we can do? Given volume, yes or no? Given volume upon what we write, that is molar volume, yes or no?
Yeah.
Molar volume. So given volume is how much? 5.6. Molar volume is how much is there? 22.4. How much will come? Tell me. 5 4 ja 20, 6 4 ja 24. So 1 by 4 will come.
Okay.
1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So now this much is being produced, this much you are having, and this information we got, that is from the equation, balance equation. So here what we are doing, comparing here. So 1 mole produce with 2 by 4 mole of CO, that is 1 by 2. So therefore 0.25 mole NO2 produce. NO2 produce. So what produce with? What we can do? Can you please tell me? Can I multiply here? Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. You
Okay.
have to cross multiply, no?
Yes. See, 1 mole is there now. So 2 mole simply multiply. Half mole simply multiply. 5 mole simply multiply. You need to calculate firstly 1 mole. Then whatever mole you are going to calculate, just simply multiply. Okay. So what I did,
Okay.
that is 1 mole means half mole. 1 mole NO2 means half mole CaO. So 0.25 mole NO2 means 1 by 2.25 mole CaO. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so here they are asking CO, and that is how many mole we are getting here. You can take it out. So mole of CaO is will be there. Mole of CaO produce. How much mole of CaO produce? You can divide or let it be like that. How much? 0.25 by 2. So we can multiply. If you are multiplying this, dividing 0.21 ja 2, 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja, no, 2 5 ja 10. So 0.125 mole CaO. Okay. So although it is tough, let me try. So 0.125 mole CaO. So they are asking amount. So amount. So how can you write the amount? So N is equal to, that is given mass. Given mass means amount upon molar mass. Okay. So given that is N value you got. So given mass means amount. That is, keep in mind, amount in gram. So that is N into molar mass. So that is, here is 0.1 mole CaO was there. So what we can write, N value, how much is there? 0.125 molar mass CaO. Can you please calculate CaO value?
Okay.
Hmm.
Um,
Tell me the answer.
CA is 40. Okay.
Yes.
40 plus 6, so 56, I think, right? Yes.
56. Yeah, good. So molar mass of CaO, you are saying 56. So here we can write that is 56. So that is, you try to get the answer. How much will come? It is coming 7 gram CaO. So it's too, although it's very tough, but you can solve it like that. This is how to solve the stoichiometry problem.
Okay.
So if you want to write, I'll give you time to write, or what you want, you let me know. Otherwise, I'll share this all the pages to you also. Page also I will share.
Yeah, it's okay. You can move on.
Did you understand this?
Yeah, I'm a little bit confused. So we're multiplying 1/2 times 0.25 because of the step 2, right? Because we have number of moles time is
See, this is step 2 is the given one. Given one means present. You are having this much amount given. Okay, this is the given one, and this is what we calculated, that is from equation. This is what, that is, this all things they compare the coefficient of equation. This is from equation. That is not the that is what they are saying, proportion, stoichiometry. Equation is telling that is what proportion it is going to form. Okay, proportion. Okay, and how much amount is given to you, so that amount we have to compare that what proportion it is going to form. So here, that is this is what, that is according to equation. Half mole CO is going to form when 1 mole of NO2 is produced. Here 1 mole NO2 means it is half. It is half. So they are saying how much given according to equation. Okay, 1 mole, half mole. Okay, how much is given? So given CaO is there. They are saying given NO2 how much? 0.25. So comparing. So if suppose 1 mole NO2 is there, so half mole CaO. So 0.25 mole NO2. So how much mole CaO? So we multiply. So we multiply. So we got 0.125. Yes, yeah, no.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Quite tough, but okay. Now after getting the mole, you can calculate the amount. Simple. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes. Okay.
I'm giving you one problem. You try to solve that problem. Okay, then we'll move another topic. These are all the problem from the IB syllabus only. Okay.
Mhm.
Plus, okay.
Okay.
2 C2H2 they are saying plus 5O2. They are saying 4 CO2 plus 2H2O is there. 2H2O. They are saying find find mass of O2 required. Find mass of O2 required. Okay. To produce 44.8 liter of CO2, 44.8 liter of CO2 at STP. Okay, you can write RTP. RTP means room temperature pressure. Okay, here in India we use STP. You people use RTP sometime. Okay, or you can use an NTP, normal temperature pressure. So they are saying option. I am writing here option C. Let me calculate the option. I didn't calculate. 2.5 multiplied by 32. Yeah. So it is there, that is 90 gram. B number option they are saying 80 gram. C number option they are saying 70 gram. And D number option they are saying 60 gram. This is there. So let's try to solve this problem. How can you be able to solve? See, find the mass of O2. So where we need to compare, keep in mind, whatever the relation they are asking now, that we have to compare. So we need to compare this type, we have to compare this much only. Not all things are not required. Okay. So this we have to compare that 5 mole O2 required 4 mole CO2. So, okay, step one. Step one, that is compare stoichiometry. Compare stoichiometry, or you can write that is coefficient in equation. That is what is given in the equation, according to equation. So they are saying 5 mole O2 produce how many mole CO2 is producing? Tell me. 5 mole O2 produce how many mole CO2?
4 moles CO2.
5 mole O2, 5 mole O2 produce 4 mole CO2. Okay, 4 mole CO2. So 1 mole, if I am calculating, 1 mole O2 produce how many mole CO2? Tell me.
And 5/4 moles
5 over,
CO2.
okay, this one
4, yeah.
4 by 5 mole CO2. This will be the mole. Wait, I am writing mole CO2. This is the mole CO2. This is also mole CO2. Okay, this is, but how much given? This is the equation only, na? This is all the step number one. We got this one from the equation. According to this, it is going to propose. This is giving the ratio, but how much given? This is the equation. Balance equation is different thing. So you are not giving to anything we didn't give. Balance equation itself, it go in the proportion. So they are saying that is how much is given. Then you compare with the equation. How much given? So given means that is step number 2. Here see step number 2. Step number 2. So they are saying to produce 44 moles CO2. They are saying. So that is we are saying that is moles of CO2 produce. Moles of CO2 produce. Okay. Moles of CO2 produce from given amount, from given volume. They are saying how much. Equation is not given. Equation they are saying in this format it is taking place. Equation means in this format it is taking place, but that is amount, whatever the amount is given, whatever amount is given, that they are saying this much amount is there and you need to compare with the balance equation. So from the balance equation we got that is 1 mole CO2 produce 4 by 5 mole CO2. So how much mole CO2 is there actually? So they are saying that is NCO2. If I am calculating NCO2, so we have to calculate what? Given volume. Yes, yeah, no. Given volume upon what we can write?
Over molar volume.
Molar volume. Yeah, thank you. Molar volume. So given volume, we are having 44.8 liter divided by it is going to come 22.4 liter. Yes, liter is cancel out.
Yes.
So it will come how many? It is going to go 2 mole.
2 moles.
2 mole. Now last step. It's been easy now. So you are having 2 mole CO2. Okay. Acha, this is somewhat we did the opposite one. What we did opposite one, because they are asking CO2. Find the acha O2 required.
Oh,
Find the O2 required. So O2 required means we need to write in opposite one.
other way.
Uh,
Okay, yeah.
we need to write because okay, in this term we need to write that is 4 mole CO2 required. How many mole? 5 mole O2. Yes, yeah, no. 5 mole O2. So 1 mole CO2 required. 1 mole CO2 required 5 over 4 mole, that is O2. So now they are saying 2 mole is there, na? So 2 mole is step number 3. Step number 3. So that is 2 mole. 2 mole it is given only. So 2 mole they are saying CO2. 2 mole CO2 required. How much it will be required? So they are saying 1 mole
So
required 5 by 4.
over
So 2 mole what we can do? Tell me now.
two times 5/4, so 10
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
over 4.
5 by 4 into 2 mole, it will be what required, that is O2. So what we can do, that is 2 to the 4. So 5 by
Yeah.
2 mole O2. So 5 by 2 mole means 2 to the 4. 2.5 mole, it is going to be O2. So now you got that
Yep.
is 2.5 mole O2 is there. So you can easily calculate amount. Therefore, amount of CO2 required, amount of CO2 required. So how to calculate? So N is equal to, that is given mass. Given mass is nothing but amount. Okay, divided by what? Molar mass. Molar mass. So see what we can do. So moles you calculated here how much? 2.5. So 2.5 is equal to, this is the amount, and here molar mass. Molar mass of CO2, can you please tell me molar mass of CO2?
12 and then 32, 44. Yeah, right.
Yeah, 44. Thank you. So 44 gram. So amount is equal to what we can do. So 2.5 into 44. So how much will come?
In 88.
80 will come. 80 gram.
80.
80. Yes, yeah, no.
Yeah, okay.
Amount of, see how I multiply. You can multiply 44, 2.5. So 5 4 ja 20. 5 4 ja 20, that is 22. And 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. So, little bit mistake is coming out. What? 2
Yeah.
4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8.
Shouldn't it be 110?
Yeah.
What's happened?
Okay, wait. So that is 8 to 10. 8 to 10. 8 to 10, 110. So it is coming 110. So option are not matching or what? 110 gram. Let me check here what is there. Yeah. So options are wrong. Here B number option is 110. 110. Actually, how the option they have given? Now option they have given simple. They have given here. They didn't calculate. Oh no, option is correct. Where is the mistake we are doing? It is there. We are doing some mistake. Amount of O2 required, not CO2. See now,
Oh, yeah.
O2 required. They are asking O2 required here. See, find the mass of O2 required. We are doing wrong. So here is a little bit mistake. Here in the stoichiometry, these are the what the problem is all about. Little bit your concentration gone means the problem arise. Molar mass of O2. So O2 is the 32. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes.
So now you can please recorrect. Na? Okay, sorry.
So then we get 2.5 times
Now it is coming 80 gram.
32.
You can multiply. You can multiply.
Okay.
2 5 ja 10. 2 3 ja no 5 5 2 ja 10. 5 3 ja 15. 15 1 16.
Oh, yeah.
That is this. Okay. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. There's something coming. So 6 4, that is the 10, and 617, 71 carry, that is 8, and that is 0.080. So this is coming. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, yes.
Are you be able to understand this type of problem now?
Yes.
You can ask the problem. Still, if you are facing the problem, you are most welcome to ask. Okay, don't feel.
Okay.
Now, is it okay to you to understand this?
Yeah, I think I understand it.
So, should I move on another topic, or you want to solve some more problems?
Can I solve one by myself to see if I understand it? Or will you give me homework, then I solve it by myself?
Homework I'll give you. There is no problem. Here, but let's see. Let's see one questions. You can solve little
Okay.
bit. Let me find from your book. Here is there. Yeah, I got the problem. Little bit better it is there. They are saying question is there. What mass of, what mass of, wait, no, what mass of hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, must, they are saying, must required to produce, to produce, how much they are saying produce? 48.64 gram of water, So here the liter is not there, given mass is there. So that we have to, you can put out that is 48, simple 48 gram. So that way, that can give the answers also. 48 gram, simple, you put the 48 gram H2O. So they are asking equation they have given, that is 2H2O2, giving that is O2 plus 2H2O. So they are saying that is what mass of H2O2 must require to produce 48 gram H2O. Okay. So what we need to do here, what you need, they have given the approx answer they have given. Option number they have given, A number, they are saying 91.46. You need to calculate approx, because I already rechanged the question, because I put the approximation here. So for 91.46, this is the approx. This is the gram. If you are going for the B number, 80 gram, C number 80.5 is there, and that is 95.9 gram, and D number 100 gram. These are the options are there. So first of all, what we need to do, you need to compare between these two, water and H2O2. So the watt mass of H2O2 must require to produce 48 gram of H2O. Are you solving this?
Okay, I'll try to solve it.
I can understand. This is the tough one. No, not a easy. These things are given to sharpen the minds. Okay, how can you correlate? How can you think? It increases the thinking process of a student. That is why these things are given. They seem very easy. Can I solve? I find very interesting to solve.
2 moles to make.
You solve and let me know the answer.
Okay. So then you have number of moles to given mass over molar mass. You get number of moles to 48 grams over H periodic 1 2 plus 16, yeah, 18. 189, no, 48. What do you 836 30 46. Let me get 2, 1. Can I just say approximately 2 for the number of moles?
Is it coming? It will come to more than 2. See how much is coming? 48 by
okay.
48 by 6.9. 48 by 18. No?
Okay.
So 2.666 is coming. So 2.6 you can consider that will, or you can consider 2.7 approximation.
All right.
So 2.7 it can go. That much only we can do approx. So this is mole is there.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's but
That means that that would try to find H. So H2O2 is equal to 2.7 moles. And then we get number of moles is equal to given mass over molar mass. We have 2.7 is equal to given mass over H2O2. So 2 plus 32, so 34. And then 2.7 times 34 is 28, 8, 1, 28, 4, 8, 0, 1, 0, that one, 7, 12, 21, 2, 6, 9, 8, 1, 1, 0, 101.8. I got, wait.
yeah, I have calculated. I got the answers. Are you doing anything else other than this? 2.7 into 34?
No, I'm doing 2.7 to 34.
So it is coming 91.8.
Yes. Okay.
So option number?
A, I guess.
Yeah, this is the answers. Option number A is the answer. Okay, this is what the point. Are you able to understand now?
Yeah.
Easy na? Easy na? Feeling okay?
Easy, yeah.
I'll send you the problems. Okay, you go with that problems.
Okay.
And solve it out and take the pick and revert back to me. I'll check that the correct or not. Okay. So you solve on the papers and take a pick. Okay. Just mail me. Can you do this?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll check because you are doing correct or not. I need to see. Okay. So you do. Yeah. So this is what all about the that this type of the is stoichiometry problem. Another time that is I am telling you some very basic ideas about that is balancing equation, balancing normal equation. We are going to balance the normal equation. Since if any equation is given, so it's very difficult to balance. Okay, so what we can do to balance the equation? Suppose if I am giving you some, let me, yeah, I guess, okay, I got the answer. See what they are given, that is question they balance the following. They are saying balance the following equation. They are simple. They are saying balance the following equation. So how you people balance the following equation? I'm giving you the equation and you let me know that how you people balance. So here they are saying C4, H10 is there, then O2 is there, and it is giving that is CO2 plus H2O. So they are not entirely not balanced. Here you see hydrogen is 10, here is 2 only. Oxygen you see here 4, 2, this side you see 3 are there, 2 here and 1 here, 3. Carbon 4, here 1. So this is unbalanced equation. What to do? How to balance? What you people do there?
Like you have to compare each
Hmm.
element on both sides and
So
see
then
how much there is.
mhm. Here there is the trick is there. I'm telling you the trick, okay? To
Okay.
find. So what we do? Uh, hmm, what we can do here? So simple method is there. Let us consider. Let us consider the stoichiometry as stoichiometry. Stoichiometry means simple number. Stoichiometry, or you can write that is coefficient
Mm-hmm.
of each species. Coefficient of each species are A, B, C. Each species are four species are there, so you need to calculate A, B, C, and D. This see the how interesting it can be. So that they are saying that is A mole of C4H10 you can consider. Then they are saying you can consider B mole O2. Then they are saying this become the equal to sign. Here is the equal to sign. Okay. So arrow means equal to time. So it is C mole of this is CO2 and plus it is giving D mole of H2O. These are the point. Okay. So they are saying you compare the left side and right side. So step they are saying compare step here. There step one is that is this one is step one and step two. So step two is they are saying that compare left and right side. So here I am writing step two. Step two is they are saying compare left and right side. Left and right side. One question it will be tough to you. First question. After that you will be very used to left and right side. So they are saying you need to calculate everyone. Suppose what elements are there. Firstly we have the carbon, then we are having hydrogen, then we are having oxygen. Below the carbon we are putting the equal to, below the hydrogen we are putting equal to, and oxygen also. So you need to put out that is how many carbons are there. So four carbons are there, yes or no? Here C4 four carbon, yes.
Yeah.
So four carbon, and here coefficient is A. So can we write that is 4A carbon is there, 4A carbon, because here C 4 is there, here is there. So 4A, can we write 4A?
Okay.
Yes, na?
Yeah.
Suppose, okay. This side you tell me how many carbon is there, how many carbon is there? So only one carbon is there.
One. Yeah.
So I am putting that is C. C into 1 means C. Yes, yeah, no.
Okay. Yeah.
Here hydrogen you see. How many hydrogen are there? 10 here. Multiply by
10.
A. So we can write that is 10A. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes.
This side hydrogen you see 2 are hydrogen are there. Multiply by D. So can we write that is 2D? Yes.
Yeah.
Now see the oxygen. How many oxygen here? No. Here is the 2 oxygen is there. Multiplied by B. So can we write that is 2B? Can we write 2B? See, 2 is here.
Yes.
The 2B.
Okay. Yeah.
This side what we can write? Here 2 is there and C is there. So I'm writing 2C plus. Here is there, D is there and one oxygen. So I'm writing that is D into 1, that is D. Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So this is equation 1. This is the trick, very easy trick, okay, to solve. So this is the 1, 2, 3. So just put out that is let A is equal to 1. Okay, by closing your eyes, simply you put that is A is equal to 1. For all the equation, you put that is let A is equal to 1. So if you are putting A is equal to 1, so what you are going to get that is from 1. From equation 1. From equation 1. What you are going to get? Tell me. So 4 into 1, yes or no? Is equal to C.
Yeah.
So you are getting C is equal to how much you are getting? 4, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, from equation 2, if you are going from equation 2, if you are going, so that is A value you got, A value 1 na? Yes or no? A value
Yes.
1
It's
you
one.
got, so this will be there 10, here I am writing, that is 10 into 1 is equal to 2D, yes?
Yes.
So D is equal to 10 by 2.
Yes.
So D is equal to 5. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. From 3. From 3. So that is what we can write. You got the value A, you got the value C, you got the value D, ACD value. So we easily you can calculate. So
That's right.
2B is equal to 2. What is the C value? Where is the C value? C value is 4. Can we multiply by 4?
Yeah.
Plus D. Where is the D? D is this is 5. So what we can do, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 5. How much it is coming? I think 13 is coming. Yes.
Yep.
Okay. Now see what we can do. Simply I'm erasing and I'm writing here. I'm erasing and writing here. See. So what we can do here, let us see, that is C4H10. That is we consider here A na. This is what we consider na, C4H10. This is what we consider ABCD. So what the value we got, that is A value, how much we got? A value you can see 1. So here will be 1. 1. Then there we are having BO2. So O2 is there. What is value of B? You check B value. How much? 13. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now you get the C value. That is here. What is there? CO2. And CO2 is there C. So C value how much we got? 4. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Then we are having that is H2O is there. H2O is the D mole H2O. What is D value? Here you see somewhere we calculate D is equal to 5. Yes or no?
Wait, but for O2, don't we have to divide it by 2 because it says 2B is equal to 13
B na?
because it's O2.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Extremely sorry. So B is equal to 13 by 2. Yes, na? 13 by 2.
Yeah.
So here I am putting 13 by 2. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the balance equation. This is what this will be the balance equation.
But our chemistry teacher said that when we can't put fractions in an equation, in a balanced equation.
No. Okay. Fraction.
Like
Yes.
he says that if you have a fraction, you have to multiply the whole equation by 2 because you're not allowed to have a fraction.
So that
Because
will
you
be the
can't
common number. If you multiply by 2, this will be the common number will be there. The common number also cannot be there in the equation. Suppose if the total equation you multiply by 2. So this should have the common number, na? Common number 2. And any equation cannot have the common. If you multiply these two, all will have the 2. It will be there like that. You check in the book.
Okay.
You check in the book. Exception is there. Your chemistry teacher is correct only. I'm not saying he or she is wrong. I'm saying that is this type of equation solved like this only. So let's try to, because suppose 2 cancel out now. 2 and 2 will be cancel out. So will be 13 only now. So let us see, that is left side. We are talking left side. And where we are talking about right side. So kindly see, that is what are there left side: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Right side also there carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. How many carbons are there? Tell me. 4? Yes or no?
Yeah.
4. This side you tell me how many carbons are there?
One. Well, 4.
4. So here is 4. Hydrogen you check how many are there? 10. Yes?
10. Yeah.
10. This side you tell 2 is here,
10.
5 is here. 5 to the 10. Yes, no?
Yeah.
Oxygen you said, tell me. Oxygen. So 2 and 2 will
13.
be cancelled out. So it will be 13 only. 13.
Yeah.
This side you see 4 to the 8 and 5 is here. 8, 5, how much will come?
13.
13. So see carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen all are balanced. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So this is the very basic one. Can I give you one more problem? Will you solve?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So let us try to solve. Suppose I am having C. Can I give you a little difficult? Let me see if I will find little difficult problem so you can enjoy this problem. No, I don't have the difficult problem, so I am giving you my own problem. I'm thinking and giving you. So A number I'm giving you. Suppose we are having CH4. So here very basic I'm giving you. So it is giving CO2 plus it is giving H2O. So this is the question they are saying, that is valence. Here you see carbon is 1, here is also 1. But hydrogen is 4, here is 2. Oxygen is here, O2 will be there. Oxygen is here 2, but this side 2, 1, 3. So what we can do? Okay, so step number 1. Number 1, consider the, what they are saying, consider the coefficient. Consider the coefficient. What coefficient? We have to consider A, B, C. Coefficient A, B, C, and D. So you can write that is A mole CH4 plus B mole O2. It is giving C mole CO2 plus D mole H2O. Okay. So what are the elements? This means equal to. Okay. Arrow means equal to. So what element are there? Carbon, and we are having hydrogen, and we are having oxygen. Only 3 elements are there. Below we are putting the equal sign, means we are comparing, you know, left and right side. Step number 2, what they said is step number 2, compare left side atom and right side. That is, then you can balance, na? Compare left side, left side and right side atom. Compare left side and right side atom. Right side atom. So right side atom. So here you see carbon. How many carbon are there here? 1 carbon multiplied by A. So it will be A only. This side you see carbon. How many are there? C multiplied by, you know, only 1 carbon is there. So 1 multiplied by C, it is going to be C only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So this is going to be equation number 1. Hydrogen, you see how many? 4 hydrogen are there. So we can write that is 4A. Yes or no?
Yes.
4 is there and A is the coefficient. So 4A. This side how many hydrogen is there? 2 is there and D is there. So can we write that is 2D? Yes or no?
D2.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, 2D.
2D. Yeah. So this is the second equation we got. Now for the oxygen, you see how many are there? 2B. Yes or no? 2B.
Yes.
This side how much will come? 2C
Yeah,
plus
2C plus D.
D. Yeah. So this comes the equation number. What is this? Is equation number 3. So 1 here is 2. This is going to be 3. Now the simply I told you, let A is equal to 1. Simple, you can get, let A is equal to 1. You have to consider any one of them. You have to consider 1. Any one. So if you are considering 1, so what we can do, if A is equal to 1, so from 1, from equation 1, what is this going to give? So 1 is equal to C. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Or that is going to be C is equal to 1. Yes, C is equal to 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Now from equation 2, we are going from equation 2. If you are going equation number 2, so that is A value already you got now. A value is 1. So you can put the here. So 4
D is
into
equal to
2D. So D is equal to 4 by 2. Yes.
Yeah.
It is going to be 2 mole. 2. Simple. It is 2 only. Yes or no? D
Okay.
is equal to 2. So
Yeah.
here I am writing D is equal to 2 in the bracket. D is equal to 2. Now you got the value. Most of the value you got. You got the C. You got the A. You got the D. So from equation 3. From equation 3rd. So that is, we need the value of A we got, C we got, D we got. So we need B. So 2B is equal to, it is going to be 2. C value you got here somewhere, you got C value is 1 plus D value you got 2. So it is going to be 2 plus 2, it is 4. So 2B is equal to 4. So B is equal to, it is going to be 4 by 2. So B is equal to, it is going to be 2. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, in the step number 2, the step number 3. What is step number 3? Put the value of what? Put the value of A, B, C, and D. Okay, in equation. They are saying in equation. Main equation we have to put. So where this we consider now. This is the equation we have considered A, B, C value. So what we are going to do? We are putting the value. So CH4, where is, what is the value of CH4? C, A value, na? A value. So A value is 1. So simple, it is going to be CH4. Plus B value, you see how much? 2. So I am writing here 2O2. Here you see C value. Where is the C? C is 1. So simple, that is CO2 plus D. D value, how much we got here? 2. So I'm writing here is 2H2O. Okay. Although it is taking time because I'm teaching. That is why it is taking time. Otherwise, I can solve within 5 seconds. Even I don't need to calculate. I can easily do calculation in my mind for this type of equation. So you can check. Okay, I'm checking the answer. Check the answer.
Okay.
So if you are checking the answer, what we can do? So left hand side and right hand side, it should come same. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. This side, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So carbon is coming how much? 1. Here is carbon is also coming 1. Yes or no? See.
Yes.
Hydrogen, you see how many are there? 4.
4.
Here is 2 2 ja 4. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Oxygen, you see how many are there? 4 here.
4. Yeah.
And here is that is 2 and 2. That is going to be 4.
4.
See, everything is coming same. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Are you be able to understand this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, good. Can I give you one problem? You are having the time?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
giving you one problem. You solve that problem, no? Similar question I'm giving you. I'm not changing anything. I'm giving you same trend type of problem. You try to solve it out. Suppose I'm having C5H12. Okay. C5H12. It is reacting with O2. So it is giving that is CO2 plus it is giving H2O. They are asking balance. See, hydrogen is 12. Here is 2. Oxygen is 2 here. Here 2, 1, 3. Everything is wrong here. Carbon 5, here 1. So you know, purchase this type of tab. Can you purchase this type of tab? This is the tab. Can you purchase?
What is that?
This is the writing tab. This is the writing tab. So what as like I am writing on the laptop now, I'm writing as like now. Similarly, you can write from the your side also.
Oh yeah, I have an iPad.
Okay, iPad. I don't know. iPad will work or not. You are having iPad.
Yeah, I think I can share my screen.
With iPad.
Yeah, I can. I can share my screen. If I take the call on my iPad, I can share my screen.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. Can you?
So
Can,
next class, I can
no,
take it.
you see her. Let's see if is it visible.
No, because right now I'm working on my computer.
Okay. But you should have the stylus now. Do you have a stylus?
Yeah, I have an Apple pen. I have.
Oh, okay. You can try. What is the advantage? I don't need that. Actually, what I am saying, that is how you are doing now. You are doing correctly or not, that I need to see.
That you
That
can
is.
see, yeah.
So okay. By the way,
Okay.
you solve.
Next class, I can try with the iPad.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm. Are you doing or can I do also together?
I'm doing it, but you can also do it.
Okay. Good. But I'll do in the short one.
Okay.
So I'm considering A mole C5H12 plus B mole O2. It is going C mole CO2 plus D mole H2O. So this is C is there, O is there, and hydrogen is there. So downside we need to put the equal to sign. So here this side, left hand side and right hand side, we have to balance. So how many carbon are there? Okay, you can see that is how I am solving. Okay.
Okay.
So left side, these all are the left side. These are the going to be left side. and other side, these are going to be what? These are the right side. That is the right side. So left side, you see how many carbon are there? 5a, yes or no? 5a.
Yeah.
Okay. Right side, you tell me how many are there? Only one. C.
C.
C. One C. So simply I am writing C. One C means simple C. So here is C. This is the equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now go for the oxygen. How many are there? 2B. Yes, yeah, no?
2B. Yeah.
This side you can see
C.
2C.
2C plus D.
2C plus D. Thank you. Hydrogen, you see how many are? 12A.
Yeah.
12A. Yes, no? 12A. Yes.
Yeah.
This side hydrogen, how much? 2D. Yes.
2D.
Hmm.
Yes.
So equation we got to form. Okay, now we need to solve this equation. How can we solve? Here, this is 1, 2, 3. So let A is equal to 1. Let A is equal to 1. Okay, so A is equal to 1 means 5 into 1 is equal to C. So C is equal to 5.
Yes.
Simple, very simple. C is equal to 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now from, okay, this is the from 1 we solve. From 2, from equation 2. If you are solving from equation 2, so it's problem. Firstly, you solve the from third. Otherwise, it is
Yeah.
because the here 3 variables are there. From third, because A and C you got, na? A you got
Yeah.
1, so you can easily solve. So from third, 12 into 1 is equal to 2D. So 2D is
Yes.
equal to 12. So D is equal to 12 by 2. So it is going to be 6. So we got that is D is equal to 6. Okay. So from these two, we can here from 2, what we can do? 2B we can calculate easily. 2B is equal to 2, and C value we got how much? We got 5. So here is 5 plus D value we got how much? 6. So it is coming how much? 16. So 2B is equal to 16. So B is equal to 16 by 2.
8.
So it is coming 8. So B is equal to 8. Now you plug the value. So
So we get C5H12.
C5H12.
Then 8O2 makes 5CO2 and 6H2O.
6H2. So we need to see that is what is the LHS side and what are the RHS side, are the same or not. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So how many carbons are there? 5.
5.
This side again going to be 5. Hydrogen, how
Okay.
many are there? 12. This side hydrogen,
12.
12. Oxygen, you see 16. 8 to 16, yes. Here 5 to 10 and 6, that is 16.
Yes.
So this is how we have to balance the equation. Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is all about the today's class. But this is the what I am writing on the screen. Now this will come the page wise page. It is not the all together. It does not come all together. It come page by page. So that way I need to send. Can I do
Okay.
this?
Okay.
Because today I think you didn't write anything. Did not write completely, no?
No, I didn't. I just wrote the questions that I solved.
Okay, no problem. I'll share. No problem. No problem at all. Okay. So what we need to do? Can we bind up today?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Take care.
Okay. Bye. Have a
Bye.
nice
Bye.
day.
Okay. Okay. Same.